Greetings. Welcome to another episode of Lava and Garden Report. Well, as you can hear probably in the background, the garden report today, it's raining. So I won't be doing any hiking around out there in the rain. From the lava, you may have heard, there isn't any. Yeah, when it comes down to Hawaii, that's the one thing that's always the same here. Constant change. It's constant change. It's sort of like I remember saying, oh look, it's a moon bow with a lava flow and a whale breaching. Oops, they're both gone and it stopped flowing lava. You have to be on your toes here if you want to see rainbows and all sorts of other effects that occur here in Hawaii, lava flows. Everything is always changing, and it's changing fast. There's never 2 days where anything does the same thing around here, so it's nice. I enjoy it. It's a good thing, and right now they've been assessing the damage in the national park, and so there is a slim possibility that somewhere within this year they may decide to reopen it again. They got a lot of stuff broken up and some major installations, like the museum and such over there, all messed up. I guess the viewing platform over Halema'uma'u is about ready to fall into the caldera. We started off, I think, several hundred feet deep into that caldera. Now they say it's over 1,500 feet, the hole. Wow! That's a major pit. But it stops subsiding. The earthquakes have arrested. It's no longer ejecting plumes of ash and dust. So there's a possibility we could get the park back open soon. I really hope so. We're talking at least $450,000 a day being lost in the general area here to the economy because of the loss of people coming to visit the park. Most popular tourist destination in all of Hawaii. At least 2 million people a year go through the gates of the park up here. I live just down the road. It is white pineapple season here, and ordinarily I have tourists flocking in going, I gotta try a white pineapple, gotta try a white... Nah, no tourists. I put the pineapples on Craigslist. No reaction. So, it even affected me, and I don't do a real direct tourist economy, That's up the hill here at the park, and things are looking optimistic. We get it all assessed and some repairs made. It may open back up soon. On the other hand, the eruptions could start up again tomorrow. Who knows? As far as down in the southeast corner of the district here in Puna, the SO2 emissions, that sulfur dioxide, are now at the lowest point that they've been since 2007. Now that's major. Because starting in 2008, Halema'uma'u began ejecting huge plumes of ash and sulfur, and the air quality here diminished quite a bit, particularly to the west of the caldera and all the way out to Oahu. We had issues with air because of that happening, but now even Pu'u'o'o is not producing much of anything. Most of the sulfur dioxide that's here is coming from the fissures yet down in Leilani Estates, but even there, there's not much. It's the lowest level. So we're heading right back towards the cleanest air in the United States of America. But it's looking like the most interesting thing that happened down in the southeast here. As the creation of a new black sand beach. Everybody's been concerned that we might lose the boat ramp at Pohoiki, but we didn't lose it. We still have it. It got missed, and what did happen though was a black sand beach swept in over the whole park. It's a nice one. It's kind of closed the harbor by the boat ramp, but I guess they can dredge that out of there. It doesn't look too much. Kind of a sandbar is closed across the front of the harbor, although making a nice still pool of water. So whenever the SO2 finally comes down in that area and they get their roads open, I'm heading down to have a look at this beach, because I got a feeling we might have a new place to go swimming. You know, it's like nature gives you a lemon, you gotta squeeze that darn thing and figure out what you can do with it. That's the way it's gonna be, but all the images I see show a really nice beach. That's an improvement. Apparently it doesn't destroy everything in her path. Sometimes she leaves us a beach or two. As far as I can recall, that's about it when it comes to the eruptions. There aren't any. I am, I guess, missing the glow in the night sky for, you know, all the way going back towards May. The sky in the south was just lit up with fire every night. At the height of the whole thing, we could actually see the fountains ejecting from the fissures from here, you know, spraying up into the air and so on. And it was pretty exciting. I mean, as I said, everything around here changes constantly. So for a few months, we had night fire. You've seen that in my videos. Now it's calm. All I see down that direction are the lights of Pahoa. As far as the garden's concerned today, it's harvest season. No tourists around to buy the pineapples much, so if there's anybody here locally who needs some white pineapples, we definitely have a source. No spray, clean pineapples, delicious. I'm going to end up probably drying most of this, and we'll put it on the website. And I'm going to have to open up a few markets around here, though. Get ready for next year, because we have a huge crop coming on in 2019, and I'm going to hope, by knocking on wood, that the park's going to be open and we're going to have tourists chomping at the bit, dying to try one of those famous Puna white pineapples. I know we did last year. Sold more of them than I could come up with. Yeah, we got all manner of pineapples just sitting here waiting for somebody. I guess I'll start slicing them down later on today. Y'all have a wonderful day. Aloha, hang loose, and thanks for watching.